Good morning, my friends. Today I will tell you about Bharatiya Janata Party's achievement and those topics who has raised by India Alliance. So first of all, I want to tell you some main points and then I will describe. We all know very well that India is getting stronger and stronger day by day and minute by minute in leadership of Mr. Narendra Modi. But it is very sad to note that on the other hand, the India Airlines is involving in the politics of dividing. The alliance which has no objective, no perspective, no direction, they are so frustrated that they are trying to do division forces. They want to create the division of north and south. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is clear that what is our stand. Our stand is सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबका प्रयास. And we are working on that. And I want to tell you, today there is a question in everyone's mind that what is the position of the Bharatiya Janata Party of the after three phases of voting. So first of all, I would like to tell you that one issue is also of low vote percentage. So today I am presenting both these issues to you according to my personal viewpoint. Pehले listen to me carefully. We saw the 2014 elections and we also saw the 2019 elections, but the 2024 elections are giving a new direction to the country, because this time you can see in the rallies of Bharatiya Janata Party who did not come out in the last two phases, 2014 and 19, which had no relation and not known about the politics, those are visible in BJP election rallies and road shows. The reason for this is that those who are not coming are confident, fully confident that BJP will win and crossing 400. Those people are the youth. These people are the youth and poor peoples who will decide the condition and direction of India in the future. This is most important to see in this election. So we are absolutely strong from this point of view. Now, as far as the question of voting percentage is concerned, the decrease of voting percentage is not harmful for us. Its voting percentage not decrease our votes. It is the decrease of the India Alliance, because the people of India know that Modi will come again, and another part, they know big reason is that the India alliance does not have any issue on basis of which they can fight the election. They only have hacking the machines. They are busy in deciding who to abuse, who to blame after the defeat. So I can say with full confidence that we have crossed 200 seats in 3 phases. And India Alliance is talking and speaking only about Modi, abusing our Prime Minister Modi. Who was saying that Bharatiya Janata Party is politics is on the basis of dharma, religion. But what you are seeing in this election, reservation of Muslims, 5%, who saw? Who said about it? So who are doing politics on the basis of religion? I have told you many times that from the beginning of our independence, we have not used any single abuse or rude word about the Muslims, Indian Muslims. Yes, we always against the terrorism, and terrorism has no religion. Terrorist is not Muslim, not Hindu, not Parsi, not Isai, that is only terrorist. But Congress party and his alliance is totally corrupted, and they give shelter to the terrorists. You all know, you have seen before 10 years. Afzal Guru, you very well know. What was the Afzal Guru attacked on Sansad in 2002, and when he was hanged on death in 2013, when the pressure of Bharatiya Janata Party was in force in their aggressive mode. So I can say Muslims, Indian Muslims are today aware, and I am seeing many video clips that Indian Muslims is in our favor. So I want to tell you that India Alliance has no issue, no any issue of welfare of India and future of the country, and we have many issues and we are working on that. We have to develop country till 2047, and we are working on green energy. 40% we have achieved, and 10% our target till 2013, and till 2047 we will get totally energy from green energy, electricity from green energy. We are thinking also about the pollution. Our Narendra Modi's government is trying to take those small issues which have given most impact on our country. For safe environment and clean environment, we are trying to trying to journey in inland water supply, and we had to start before some days. Had a trial, and we were succeed. So I am saying that our nature has given us some, not most, the most things who can create by using from those we can give a significant change in our country. That's why I always say that please save nature, because nature is our mother, land is our mother, Bharat Mata is our mother, Ganga river is our mother. Like that, nature is our mother. So we have to save nature, because this is the requirement of today, and it will help us to make developed country. Many more things we can take from the nature without destroy the nature. So we have to protect nature. I want to say you about the nature's power. Please don't cut trees. Tree plantation is most important, and I would recommend to all Indians that if you have any special occasion at your home, now plant a small tree, like on birthdays, like on any receptions, etc., etc. One plant, when that will become a big tree who gives so much energy, oxygen, and soak so much carbon dioxide, CO2, that you cannot, there is no parameter to know that how much he is helping to live us. So, my friends, I again want to say you that please only vote for BJP, because I told yesterday that Indie Alliance is the singing song on Pakistan, and we can see clearly the relation between Indie Alliance and Pakistan leaders, Pakistan governments. In Pakistan government, many ministers are very sad to see the Indie Alliance position in India, and he wants to win Indie Alliance. So we Hindus have to collect and give vote to BJP, because now four faces voting are remaining, so you have to promised by by yourself that you will give vote only to BJP for our country, for our safe country, and for safe leadership. That's why we will become a developed country, not a terrorism country, in which was happening in the Congress leadership before 2014. Now we want to see that. So I again pray to you that please only vote for BJP. BJP, and BJP means Narendra Modi. And Narendra Modi is so capable to do everything. He is today the most, I can say, the most powerful leader in the world. Now we are the 5th largest economy. And he is saying that we will 3rd largest economy in next 5 years. But I can say if he is saying 5 years, then it will become in 2 years. I have seen many things, many works who gave much time, but it become in some time. And till 2047, we will the leader and teacher of the world. Jagat Guru. We will become Jagat Guru. We will become developed country. We will become in first position in many fields, beside of 2 or 3 fields. This is not a small thing that we are now at 5th position and we have $6.2 billion exchange. This is a very big growth of India, and what was the action of Narendra Modi during the Corona time? He saved our Indian people, and also helped to other countries. Before 2014, we take help. Now we are giving help. So much changes has come today. We have analyzed about what is we have become now. Then you can see clearly, transparently, that the changing is near about 60 to 70%. You can see in every field. So I pray to you that vote only for BJP. It will direct go to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thank you very much to see me, to listen to me. Thank you.